Hi, it's Jaylene from WTI, and if you're a fan of spicy food just like me, you're gonna enjoy these Samyang Buldak noodles. So we're gonna start off by boiling some water in a medium-sized pot. And once the noodles are all cooked, we go ahead and take the sauce packet and add as much sauce or as little as you want. I added a little bit just because I don't like it too spicy. And then here I'm just mixing the noodles well together so all the sauce is evenly coated. And then once you're done mixing all the sauce in with the noodles, you put on the flakes, which is it's like a garnish. It contains seaweed and some sesame seeds. And here is the finished product. And here I'm just doing a taste test, and as you can see, it's very delicious. So if you're looking for a new easy meal or looking for a new challenge and enjoy spicy food, I would highly recommend these noodles, and that's my point of view.